Hey guys, welcome back to Lions Kids. Today on Lions Kids, we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. This is all of our ingredients. We need 3 cups of soft white wheat, and we have 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of Moringa, 3 tablespoons of molasses, 1½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. Now we're gonna grind our wheat berries. We're gonna use our Nutrimiller. We need a fine flour, so we're going to have the motor on its highest setting, and we're going to have the feed rate on its lowest setting. Now we're going to take the flour out and put it in a bowl. We need 3½ cups of flour. We're going to use our paddle attachment for our stand mixer. We're going to add the 1 cup of butter. Make sure it's softened butter, don't want it too hard. Our ½ cup of cane sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Now we're going to mix it together. Now we're going to add our vanilla, molasses, and 2 eggs. Now we're going to mix it. We're gonna scrape the bowl so all the ingredients get mixed in together. And now we can add our moringa. Now we're gonna add the flour mixture little by little. Now we're gonna add some more. Now we're gonna add the rice. Now we're gonna add the 2 cups of chocolate chips. And we're done making cookie dough, or cookie dough, yeah, cookie dough. We're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna place the cookies on this parchment paper. You can use parchment paper or oil. You're gonna put oil on the ice cream scooper so the cookie dough doesn't stick. We're gonna get an ice cream scoop of it and roll it into a ball and place it right here. You're gonna roll it into a ball and place it 3 inches apart. We're gonna put the cookies in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And we're gonna save the rest of the cookie dough for later. Now we're gonna put the cookies in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. The cookies are done now. We're gonna take them out the oven. You want to take them out when it looks like it's not done in the middle and it's golden around the sides, because when you let it sit, it'll form into a good soft cookie. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Subscribe.